Today, let's have a reading practice about household chores. Are you ready? I wash the dishes. Let's read it again. I wash the dishes. He sweeps the floor. Let's read it again. He sweeps the floor. She makes the bed. Let's read it again. She makes the bed. We vacuum the carpet. Let's read it again. We vacuum the carpet. They take out trash. Let's read it again. They take out trash. I fold the laundry. Let's read it again. I fold the laundry. He mows the lawn. Let's read it again. He mows the lawn. He dusts the shelves. Let's read it again. He dusts the shelves. We clean the windows. Let's read it again. We clean the windows. They water the plants. Let's read it again. They water the plants. I cooked dinner tonight. Let's read it again. I cooked dinner tonight. He rakes the leaves. Let's read it again. He rakes the leaves. She irons the clothes. Let's read it again. She irons the clothes. We sort the recycling. Let's read it again. We sort the recycling. They wash the car. Let's read it it again. They wash the car. I scrub the bathtub. Let's read it again. I scrub the bathtub. He fixes the faucet. Let's read it again. He fixes the faucet. She feeds the pets. Let's read it again. She feeds the pets. We change the bulbs. Let's read it again. We change the bulbs. They organize the closet. Let's read it again. They organize the closet. I paint the walls. Let's read it again. I paint the walls. He repairs the roof. Let's read it again. He repairs the roof. She mops the floor. Let's read it again. She mops the floor. We weed the garden. Let's read it again. We weed the garden. I trim the bushes. Let's read it again. I trim the bushes. We wash the windows. Let's read it again. We wash the windows.